I need to document this really, as in. So, here I am. It's Monday for a trade na naman, and hindi talaga maiwasan sometimes when you're in the this kind of business and you're in the trading. Meron yung mga araw na alam mo yun, yung medyo ah hindi ka on the go. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Hindi ka parang nagda-drug ka. Most cases, nafe-feel ko to pag I'm not contented or I didn't hit my goal last week. No? As you can see, last week, for 2 days akong puyat, straight 2 days kang puyat. I just hours for that and parang lugi yata. So, my strength na in sleeping. However, ngayon nga yung araw na ito, as I have said, medyo parang napapagod. Nung natanggap ko, kaya I need to document this as I have said, kasi natanggap ko yung message ng anak ko, and which is really, it brightens my day of nowhere. I live ako sa Facebook kanina. So I need no-message siya sa akin, tapos ito, sabi niya, on my screen right now, sabi niya, Papa, look, as I have read it, I think this is from their teacher. So nakita ko, exempted. So she's exempted. By the way, my daughter is taking up dentistry. Tapos ngayon, exempted. She just shows on the math. Tanggal yung pagod ko, darling. Na-inspired tuloy ako ngayon not to work again. You're really, ever since ikaw yung strength ko, ikaw yung nagbibigay ng strength. Whenever I feel down, I feel tired, I always go to you to talk with you. And lately, kasi wala ka na dito, medyo nahihirapan ako. Pero, eto pala, ganito lang pala, then thank you. Inspired na naman mag-work si Papa. I know, you have the prize. Wait lang ha, pupuripas Papa. Guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo ito because this is one of my peak moments in trading. And hindi lang sa trading ako natutuwa, hindi lang sa earning, but of course, where I get my strength to go on, to push through, to fight, and to stand. And if ever I fail, stand again. So this is the reason, one of the reason that I'm pushing it. I'm still up, and I'm going for it. So, if you are in the trading business at sa inyo na gusto nyo mag-trading din at find the reason why and find your strength, not just money. No, of course, isa na yan. Sino bang hindi? But a deeper one. So, ito lang po. This is just to inspire guys, and I am very happy of what I have read, pero out of nowhere, I have to stop my live trade kasi natutuwa talaga ako sa message ng anak ko. Salamat anak. Thank you. Yan lang po.